in the very beginning, the basic stall drill is this guy where you do right, left, and then lead again with the left, right, left, right. You're alternating 4 stalls in a row with one hand leading and then the same 4 stalls but with the other hand leading. You can take either of the 4 sets of stalls, right hand leading or left hand leading, and do them on the front pane. And when you do, from split time, right, this is my right, left, left. This is organized chaos. I'm pretty sure you know this one. You may know it with one hand leading, but not the other. Okay, I'm about to distinguish them. So this is organized chaos 1, which is on the front plane. Organized chaos 2 is, the first one's on the front plane, the second one's on the back plane. So you go out, out, and then in behind the back. You saw it from the back, out, out, in behind the back, in behind the back, out, out, in behind the back, in behind the back, out. I think you can. Then I think 3 is up to the pinwheel, then down behind the back, up to the pinwheel. And so you do the pinwheel in between, basically. And then 4 is just behind the back. So organized legs there's 4 different versions that I got. Organized legs, okay, the first one is out in front, then under the leg, out, out, under the leg, out, out, under the leg, Okay, then 2 is out, out, under, you turn the other way. Version 3, if I start back here and I go 1, 2, and then I do organized chaos 2, but then I come around and I stall under my leg, where I lift the leg in between, that's 3. And then I just put out a series of 4 videos on organized chaos 4, which is a very cool pattern that looks awesome on fire, which is that guy. And then its counterpart, organized taps, is the same sequence, but with taps instead of with stalls. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just do it without tangling.